today I want to award 6 students of Masai School who have been sharing their learnings and their journey on LinkedIn or YouTube without expecting anything. And these guys have been so consistent that the leadership at Masai knows them. So they are going to get a creator kit from Masai School, which is a surprise, but they will be getting it soon. The students who will be getting it are Suraj Kumar of FT Web 19. Every day he has been posting a video, and I think I have seen him improve his communication skills significantly over the past 3-4 weeks that he has been doing so. Second, Rupak Mandal of Web 17. In fact, Rupak is that one person who has inspired many other Masai students to start posting and sharing their journeys on his LinkedIn handle. And I'm sure Rupak and Suraj have made like a lot of connections out of that. Next is Hari Krishnan Shaji from Web 17. He posts technical content. He talks about what he's learned, data structures, recursion, other things. Whatever he's experiencing and learning at Masai, he tries explaining that recorded on LinkedIn. And I think that has allowed him to better his skills, at the same time connect with a lot of people who are aspiring developers on the internet. Next, we have Aradhana Shukla, Web 13. She has been insanely consistent in posting videos on YouTube where she talks about Masai. So, I mean, that's a good thing for us as well. Next, we have Sachin Kumar Keshri, aka SKK Vlogs. This person has about 150,000 views on his videos, cumulative, where he talks about Masai. Different videos. So, yes, SKK Vlogs will get one thing. And the last person would be Divya Bairwa of Web 15. All these students that I have mentioned the names of, all these students, they have been consistently posting for at least a month in different mannerisms. And after talking to them before and after talking to them now, I can see they have undergone a massive transformation in the way they communicate and they present themselves. So this gift is not a bribe, it's not a transactional gift, it is a token of thanks to them for appreciating the efforts that they are putting in by sharing whatever they know and being on the journey of transforming themselves. So yes, congratulations guys. If you are here, congratulations.